Hello guys, compliments of the season. Welcome to my unboxing video from Vietnam, and this video is going to let us know how the quality of Vietnam clothing, especially kiddies, how it looks like. The unboxing was so amazing. Actually, we bought 5 bags. I also run a pre-order group for Vietnam, and we got 5 bags, and first one arrived, and this is the second, like this is the third, fourth. So, and I'll be dropping suppliers contacts. All right, now we'll talk about Vietnam. We'll talk about Vietnam, they sell in what they call series, like a bundle. So you can see this, it's just a bundle. You can see that different bundles, and I'll be showing you how the clothes look like on the screen. All right, you can see that one I dropped just a bundle. And when we talk about Vietnam, you need to have a an exchanger, because Vietnam, they they use what they call dollars. All right, so you need an exchanger, and a legit exchanger. Before I forget, I just dropped a Vietnam supplier you should not buy from. Yes, I've not bought from these suppliers though, but I just heard one of my colleagues dropped and talking about how they scammed one of her friend. All right, so I decided to drop on my platform so no one can we fall victim to that. So please, if you're getting Vietnam suppliers from anywhere, please be careful. Go to my post and see the number. All right, go to my post and see the phone numbers, so you'll be sure if you have that number. Please, if you have that number or you are in that person's group, please don't patronize. Or you can also watch through. Now you can see that in bundles. Vietnam qualities are top notch. My customers review, I also try to be putting in my customers review on this video, so you see what I'm talking about. Now you need an exchange. I also need what they call a shipping company. All right, you need a shipping company. I will drop in suppliers contact. All right, but if you want an exchanger and you want a shipping company, then go to the screen icon and chat me up. All right, chat me up for that. And please note, it is not free, it's for a fee. I'll be dropping the suppliers contact for free. All right, so Vietnam is super amazing. Their quality, oh my god, top notch. When I was just checking up, I was so happy with what I got, so happy. And the goods came in complete. And I'm super excited. I also run a pre-order group in case you want to join us. We are going to be starting new sets January, so in case you want to join us, go to the description icon and click on that link and join. All right, so in case you want to buy for your prince, for your princess, and maybe as an end user you cannot get the whole slot or the whole lot, all right, the whole series, you just need your child's age, then do well to join the group. All right, so it was amazing. The unboxing was superb. I was so happy we got it, and it arrived right on time. The first sack arrived November, while this one arrived December 14th. And as I speak, all my customers have received, and they are so happy. We shall be dropping their reviews right here. Now, because we're dropping this clothes, how they looks like here on the screen. Almost unboxing everywhere was filled up, and I was like, how do I sort this? So I just want to say thank you to my customers. They are so lovely, yeah, so lovely. Thanks for patronizing Jennyceo. All right, in case you don't know, I also run a pre-order group where we'll buy from China, from Vietnam, from Bangladesh, from India, and I also run hair group. Yes, so click on that link and join anyone you want to join, and you will enjoy joining. In case you also want to start up your own pre-order group, then join and start up. So many members in my group are doing the same thing, and they are cashing out. no need for urgent 2k. They are cashing out. All right, so super amazing. Bangladesh also arrived, and it was so wow. The Sarah jeans, the mango jeans, the so fine. When I say stock jeans, don't worry, I'll be dropping the unboxing later on. All right. Thank you. So if you've not hit the like button at this stage, then what are you waiting for? Hit the like button, subscribe if you've not, turn on the notification bell so it will notify you when I post more other videos. And if you also want more of Vietnam videos, go through my other videos. I have made so many. All right, and it's also Bangladesh and all that. All right, just enjoy the video. Thank you.